We're making a tomato and egg omelet for breakfast this morning. I've got one medium-sized tomato. I've got some green onions sliced, that's one green onion, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 3 eggs, salt, pepper, and I'm going to put some oil in my skillet. Tomato and egg omelets are a breakfast treat all around the world. Something so simplistic, but it brings out so many great flavors, especially this time of year during the summer when you have fresh, vine-ripened tomatoes. Going to first slice our tomato. And in doing this recipe, you could probably use any tomato that you have or that you like. My green onions are already sliced. I'm going to take my 2 slices of cheddar cheese and we're going to cut it into smaller portions so that we can better distribute it on the omelet. We're going to then take our eggs, crack them into a bowl so that we can scramble them. I've got my cast iron skillet with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in it. I have my heat set for about a little less than medium. I'm going to first start off by sauteing the tomatoes. And we just simply add them to the skillet. To these tomatoes, we're going to add some salt and pepper. After a couple of minutes of cooking on the first side, we then turn them over. And there's a lot of juice in the tomatoes, so it's going to make a lot of splatter. So don't be squeamish and shy away from it. Just go with it. I'm now going to add my egg mixture. I'm going to sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkle the green onions. Add a little bit more salt and pepper to the eggs. And we'll continue cooking this till the eggs are set. So we're going to put a top on it, thereby so the heat can go over the top of the eggs and cook them on top. We don't have to flip the eggs. Let's take a peek. And I think we've reached doneness of the eggs. They are set. The hardest part about cooking this is getting the omelet out of the skillet without breaking it. Tomato and egg omelet with green onions and cheddar cheese. It's what's for breakfast.